special episode of Midbrain Masters. Today we have with us Mr. Rajiv Ahuja, Midbrain Masters International Certified Trainer, to tell us more about this amazing training center, Midbrain Masters. So let's welcome him to this show. Mr. Rajiv Ahuja, welcome
Hello.
to the show.
Thank you.
And can you tell us a little more about Midbrain Masters, and can you tell us who found this Midbrain Master Institute?
Definitely. Our founders were Mr. Shashida. He was from Japan, and one more gentleman called Liu Shishan. He was from Taiwan.
Okay.
And actually they were basically scientists
All
who
right.
found out about the midbrain. And first it started in the year of 2005
Right.
in Malaysia.
Okay.
And we have spread in different countries such as Singapore, Taiwan, China, that is Shanghai. Then also we have it in Africa,
Okay.
then Qatar, then Hong Kong. And now since 5 months back we have come to India.
India as well. So Bangalore, is it the first place
Yes,
that you
Bangalore
started?
the first city. Yes, we started in Bangalore, in India. Yes.
That's wonderful. And would you like to tell us the concept? Why do you call this as Midbrain Training Center?
Okay. In science, we all have heard about left brain and right brain.
Correct.
Every human body also has a midbrain. So once what happens is once the midbrain is activated for the children between age group of 6 to 15 years,
Right.
they can also read a book, any page with eyes closed. So like this they
Okay.
can identify objects, colors, numbers, shapes. All these activities is done with eyes closed.
Did I hear that kids can do all this with their eyes closed?
Yes, you're right.
Okay, so you saying that kids between the age group of 6 to 15,
Yes.
you train them
Yes.
to get this super ability, I would say,
Yes.
to do things with their eyes closed, is
Correct.
it?
Yeah, exactly right. Okay. As I was talking to you, children gain many different benefits, such as they improve their memory skills. Then also they boost up their confidence level,
Okay.
and creativity is very much coming in them very faster.
Okay.
And also concentration level goes too high by doing such
Right.
activities.
Okay, so you mean to say with the help of this Midbrain Masters Training Center,
Yeah.
kids can actually gain concentration power, they can improve their memory power as well.
Yes, these kind of benefits
Okay.
the children will gain from the concept.
Right. And when you did mention that kids can do things with their eyes closed,
Yes.
that's so much unbelievable. Can we see some kids doing this
Definitely,
live?
sure, definitely. We'll call one child here, which showing
Okay.
us different activities.
Okay, that's wonderful. So
Yeah.
yes, dear friends, let's all get ready to view the kids doing the live demo, showing us what is actually impossible. So friends, let's all watch this little kid, Raghav, showing us something totally unbelievable. So Raghav, what are you here for today?
I'm going to identify the color of the balls
Mm-hmm.
by touching and feeling it,
Okay.
and identifying the Uno cards, color and number.
Okay, so this kid is here, in fact, to get himself blindfolded, and he's going to identify the colors of balls, and he's going to identify the Uno cards colors as well.
Okay, let's blindfold.
Colors and the numbers, right?
Yeah,
Okay.
let's blindfold.
So Raghav is closing his eyes now. I'm sure he can't see anything. Can you see something? Can you? So now Mr. Ahuja is going to take out different color balls and
Okay, this is the first ball.
Yellow,
Okay, good.
oh my god, okay.
Okay, the next one.
orange,
I knew
Good.
this is going to be right as well. Wonderful.
Okay, now I'll give you Uno cards. Okay, let's check the color and number.
Okay.
So this is the card where we have this color and this number. So let's give it to him.
red one,
Okay, good, perfect. Okay, this is the card which you're going to give it to him.
Draw 2 red.
Okay, perfect. Thank you.
Wonderful. Thank you so much, Raghav, for showing all our viewers something that is totally impossible to believe. So, Mr. Ahuja, what would you like to say about this, what Raghav just now did?
Yeah, what he did was something very basic, where the children in the first day they try to feel it and they try to get the smell and sense it and tell us the colors and the numbers. As he said, the color of the plastic ball and also
Right.
the Uno cards number and color.
Okay, so when you say this is a basic,
Yes.
so do you train them according to different levels, or how does the training
we
program?
train them in different kind of levels. We start with the
Okay.
basic level, as you saw just now. This is just the basic level what they have done. Let's
Right.
watch the next kids doing much more advanced.
Oh, wonderful. I just
Yeah.
cannot wait, actually speaking. So let's get another kid, show us something really impossible again. So viewers, just wait and watch. Friends, after we've seen Raghav being blindfolded and identifying the Uno cards, numbers and the colors, now we have the next level, I would say. We have Sirisha with us. Let's see what she's here for. So hello, Sirisha.
Hello.
Hi, so what are you going to do today?
I'm going to identify the playing cards, the color, number and shape.
Okay, so once again, now she's going to get her eyes closed and she's going to identify the playing cards colors, the numbers, as well as the symbols on it. So let's go for it.
Okay, blindfold yourself. Okay, we've taken the first card for her. So as we can see, the color, number and shape. Okay, we'll give it to her.
7 hot red.
Oh, that was
Okay,
very
good.
quick.
Very good. Okay, let's take the next card. Okay, let's give it to her.
And viewers, absolutely no doubt, because the cloth that's on her eyes, I'm 100% sure that she cannot see anything through that.
9 flower black.
Great.
9 flower black. Okay, that was again correct.
Okay, let's give her the next card, the third card. Okay,
Joker.
very good.
Oh, that was again very quick and absolutely right. So would you like to give her another card?
No, we'll do something else with her now.
Okay, so there's much more
Yes,
exciting
much
stuffs
more.
coming for us and for
Yeah.
all our viewers.
So-
So what's she going to do next?
The next what we're going to do is we're going to give her a currency note.
Okay.
Wherein she's going to identify that which currency note it is, as well as she's going to read the serial number of the currency note.
All right, this is so much
So
unbelievable.
let's take one of the currency notes. Give her this currency note, as we can see. Okay, this is a currency note in my hand,
Okay.
wherein she has to identify which currency note it is, and she also has to tell me the serial number which is there in the currency
Oh,
note.
this is too much, I would say,
Okay.
for this little
Yes,
kid. Let's see.
Shirisha, yes. You can watch her whether she's right.
500 rupee note.
Yeah.
Okay.
ODS 836976.
Okay.
Perfect.
great.
That's wonderful. Would you like to show our viewers the serial number one more time?
Yes,
With
definitely.
a little close-up.
Definitely.
Okay, so viewers, you've just seen Sirisha just identifying the colors and the symbols and the numbers of a playing card. And just not that, she's just now identified a currency note along with the serial number on it. So,
This is the next one. We're going to give it to her.
alright,
Okay. Yes, Sirisha.
she's going to identify
rupee
this.
Okay.
7BQ 760229.
Okay.
Oh,
great.
that's so
Thank
much
you.
unbelievable. Thank you so much, Sirisha.
Thank you very much.
So this is the next level, is what you
Yeah, this is a
did
little
tell us.
much
Okay.
advanced than compared to Raga what he did.
Okay.
So we got lots more to see. There's nothing. What you're seeing is nothing still.
So dear friends, there are many exciting stuff, there are many interesting facts that's going to come your way. So this has got nothing to do with magic, absolutely got nothing to do with any kind of tricks. This is something that we would say called as midbrain activation, because of which kids are able to do this, kids are able to identify things, and you're observing kids doing so many tasks with their eyes closed. So this is what Midbrain Masters, they actually do in their training centers. So there's much more waiting for you within a minute. Masters, the live demo where we have little kids doing surprising stuffs for us, and they are really getting us amazed. Now, after Raghav and after Sirisha, where they were blindfolded and they did identify the objects by feeling them and by touching them. Now we have Kashish with us. Let's see what she's here for. Hello, Kashish. Hi. So what are you going to show us today?
I'm going to tell the color of the balls from a distance and Uno card color and number.
Okay, so you are not going to touch nor feel the object. So from the distance, she's here to identify the balls and the Uno cards, right?
Okay, so let's blindfold yourself.
And it's just not in this show, friends. Anywhere, I'm sure they will be able to, demonstrate this.
Definitely.
Even in public places, they will surely be able to. They'll display the same confidence and, the same way they're going to demonstrate no matter where you ask them to do this.
Okay, let's start. Okay, which color is in my hand? It's a plastic colorful ball.
Green.
Okay, she's not touched the ball. She's neither felt the object, and she's identified it absolutely right.
Okay, which is this?
Orange.
All
Okay,
right.
great.
So this is a much more advanced
Yeah,
level.
because she's not touching this
Right.
balls.
Yellow.
Okay, great.
Okay,
Okay, now let's move to the Uno cards.
sure.
Wherein she's not going to, again, not going to touch them and feel them. So this is the card where we have the color and number. Now I'm going to reverse it and ask her which color and number is this.
Green 5.
I just
Okay,
can't
great.
believe this. Okay.
Okay.
So Kashish is here with us. She's neither touching the objects nor
Okay.
smelling it.
So this is the next card where we have the color and number. So I'm going to reverse it and ask her which color and number it is.
Red 8.
Okay, great.
Okay, wonderful. And we all seeing her being blindfolded.
Okay, this is
So-
the next card I picked up again. Okay, now let's reverse it and ask her what is it.
Yellow skip.
Okay, great.
Okay, wonderful.
Thanks.
Thank you so
As
much,
you
Kashish.
noticed, we didn't give her any number. This the third card didn't have any number.
Correct.
It's something which is written as skip.
Right.
But also she was able to identify.
So that's something really amazing. There was no number on the third card. It was just written as skip, and the
Yeah.
kid was absolutely able to identify it right. So how long does this training program go on for?
Yeah, the first 2 days the child comes to us, the 2 full days from morning till evening the child will be with us, and later on they come for revision classes,
Okay.
which continues for approximately 2.5 months. Again,
Alright.
depending on the child's grasping capacity and capability of taking the concept.
Right. So how soon the kid can learn?
Yeah,
the
on an
program.
average we have seen a child takes around 2.5 months, not more than that, to
Okay,
complete all.
that's the normal
yes,
procedure.
normal
how it
procedure.
works.
Yes.
Okay, that's wonderful, viewers. So you're just watching the Midbrain Masters and the amazing kids who are here showing us amazing different facts. So viewers, this is a message to all the parents out there watching this show. This is a wonderful gift that you can give it to your kid. Midbrain Masters MBM training course is definitely going to make your kid extra genius, will give him or her more confidence, and will definitely help them stand out and number one among the others in the crowd. Viewers, last but not at all the least, we have another brilliant kid with us to show us much more advanced level of the training done through the Midbrain Masters. And your name, please?
Subhash.
Hello, Subhash. And Subhash, what are you here for today?
I'm gonna identify objects from distance and do maths.
Mathematics. Okay. I would like you to give him some 2-digit number.
Okay.
First, we'll blindfold him, and
All
he's
right.
going to solve that mathematics with eyes closed.
All right, wonderful.
Okay,
Let's go for it.
Blindfold yourself first.
So, do you want me to write a sum on
Yeah.
this paper?
Yeah, please do write.
And with his eyes closed, he's
going
going
to
to solve the
Definitely.
mathematics problem.
Yes, definitely. Why don't you
All right.
do it?
Okay, let me try this. This is going to be interesting. Anything I can write?
Yes, yes, whatever you feel like.
Addition, subtraction,
Yes,
anything?
yes, yes.
Okay. So dear viewers, this is the mathematic addition that I have written here for Subhash. And Subhash is here with us with his eyes closed. Let's see how quickly and how correctly he can solve this. Right. So the kid was already blindfolded while I was writing this sum. And as you all are seeing, he's just now resolved the sum and with the correct answer. Thank you so much, Subhash.
Okay, now you can give him some objects and he's going to tell you the object. Don't let him feel the object. You can just
Okay.
hold the object from the distance
Uh-huh.
and he's going to tell us what object is in your hand. You can show him any object, whatever you have.
Okay.
Yeah, you can pick up anything from there and just show him, ask him what it is.
Alright, this is another amazing challenge that we are going to see now. Subhash is here with us with his eyes closed. So without touching any object that I randomly pick, he's
Yeah.
going to identify
Yes,
that.
definitely.
Okay. Alright, let me do this. Subhash, what is this?
Board Marco.
Louder.
Marco.
Alright.
Okay, great.
And what is this?
It's a sheet.
Okay, it's a sheet.
Okay, that's perfect.
Okay,
That's wonderful.
I would like to show him something more.
Right?
Okay, this is one object which I have got in my hand. Okay, let me show it him. What is this in my hand?
It's a watch.
Okay, great. Okay.
Okay.
Do you have something more to show him?
Not at the moment. Let me do this.
Okay, what is this, Subhash?
It's a pen.
Okay, it's a pen.
Okay,
fine.
that is a pen.
Okay, thanks a lot.
Thank you
can
so
open
much,
your
Subhash.
blindfold. So as you saw that the children can do many different activities, as you saw from the beginning, from Raghav to Shirisha, Kashish, and now Subhash has given us mathematics
Right.
and also the objects.
Right.
So like this, they know they can do many things, and by doing this exercise, they improve their overall development that you can see in the child.
Correct. So this is going to help the kid become more confident.
Definitely.
And as you all were watching, this is going to help kid stand out, absolutely out among the others. So this is a different power that kid can gain through this Midbrain Masters training course, and they'll definitely be identified as a genius among all their friends, in the society, among all other people. So viewers, after watching this amazing program, the special episode of today, I'm sure all of you all are curious and you all would want to know how this works and what exactly they do to make your all kids genius. So please do not delay in contacting the Midbrain Masters Training Center, and let's all thank Mr. Rajiv Ahuja for being here with us, and I'd like to also thank all the kids, all the genius kids out here who've been here with us, who've shown us something really impossible. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Midbrain Masters training course is going to help your kid be #1 in the academics and also in the other curricular activities like sports and creativity. This course will help your kid enter the genius mind learning state.